Hey everyone, so is your AnyDesk remote desktop not working? Maybe you can't see the other device, input isn't responding, or the connection fails altogether. That can be super frustrating when you need to work remotely or provide support. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix AnyDesk remote desktop issues in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. AnyDesk requires a reliable network to transmit the remote desktop session properly. Next, restart the AnyDesk app on both devices. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often resolves temporary issues. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues or prevent remote access. Your firewall or antivirus software might block remote desktop connections. Ensure AnyDesk is allowed through security software on both devices. Make sure the remote device allows incoming connections and that AnyDesk has permission to control it. Check settings like Allow Remote Control or Access Rights. VPNs or proxies can interfere with remote desktop sessions. Try temporarily disabling them on both devices and reconnect. If the remote desktop still isn't working, reinstall AnyDesk on both devices. Uninstall, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent remote desktop issues. And that's it. Most AnyDesk remote desktop problems can be fixed by checking your network, updating the app, or reinstalling it. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.